In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wish to use in this view in the background, and then accessing background apps. Now decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then hit split view, tap on the second app, and as you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this view, you need to swipe one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!